Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to open TikTok in mute. Now to do that, open the TikTok application on your phone device first. You open your TikTok app, you come straight to the For You piece in TikTok. So let me show you how you can mute the TikTok video when you open the app. So to do this, first thing you need to go ahead and open the TikTok. Then tap on profile on the bottom right, tap that. Now tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap that. Then you need to tap on setting and privacy, tap that. Now you want to scroll down until you see the playback, tap that. Now you will find these two options over here, open TikTok in mute, auto volume adjustment. You need to tap on this toggle on the first, open TikTok on mute. You tap that and move the toggle to the right side, turning it into the blue. Now once you enable this setting, the TikTok videos will be muted by default, and when you open the TikTok you need to tap on the unmute button or use your device volume control. So once enablement, you will be able to open the TikTok in mute. Now if you go back and you just remove the TikTok from background and reopen it, tap on TikTok. Once you do this, the volume will be mute. As you can see, there is a speaker icon here with the X next to it. So to unmute it, you just tap on that icon, which will unmute the video and the sound will be played. So this is a way how you can open TikTok in mute. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.